Hi, this is Mal Gandhi. I'm one of the orthopedic consultants, and I'm going to show you what the steps would be to write the operation note. So, come out of theatre, I've pre-populated my search, so I'm going to find my patient and load my patient and make sure it's an inpatient encounter, which it is. You can see that the patient's there. So I'll then go and find my tab, which is called surgeon, and then I've got my operation note open. The first thing I do is click on the plus and add to this visit, and then I'll search for my procedure. So I'm going to say this patient had a total hip replacement and allow it to do its search. And there it is, so I'll click on that. And then I can add the staff members who are in the theatre. There I am. Click save, so date is there. I can put left and right. Save. There you go, so the procedures now come up. If you want to fill in the rest, you can. So painful osteoarthritis of hip. Scroll down to the narrative. Now, if you're like me, you may already have a template which you can copy and paste. If you want a free text, you can. If you have your auto text, you can use that here as well. So you can fill this in as you wish and click save. Your post-op instructions, again, you can do the same thing, either type it out, paste, or use your auto text. So as per routine total hip replacement. Save. And then if there's anything else you want to put in, you can. Once you've done that, you click on create note, operation note. And it will give you a preview of how it's going to look, and you can add or edit things if you wish. If you're happy with how it is, you click on sign and submit. And it's down as an operation note, but I don't want to call it operation note. I want to call it THR right. And everything else is okay, and then I'll click sign. And then it's done. So then if you go into documents, it's there and you can see it. So as part of the operation, I may have also given some medicines. So for example, local anesthetic infiltration. So when EPR goes live, we will need to prescribe and administer it. So to prescribe, we're going to request. You write down what you are prescribing, what you are administering and prescribing. So let's say, let's go for lidocaine. And then I'll say I've used 10 mils. Or whatever it might be that I am putting in, and I can say it could be subcutaneous. And now I'm going to sign the order, and the next screen will show you how to administer it.